Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In this quick and informative video, we'll show you how to adjust the default upload quality for your YouTube videos directly from your iPhone running iOS 18 or a later version. Adjusting your YouTube upload quality can be incredibly useful. It allows you to fine-tune the balance between video clarity, the amount of data used during uploads, and the overall upload speed. This is especially helpful if you're on a limited data plan or have a slower internet connection. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the YouTube app open on your iPhone. Once you're on the home screen, look for your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. This will take you to your account menu. To continue, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. This will open your YouTube account settings. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Video and Audio Preferences. Within this section, you'll see an option called Uploads. Tap on Uploads to proceed. On the next screen, you'll see the Upload Quality option. Tap on it. Here, you'll find a list of different upload quality settings, ranging from lower resolutions, which use less data, to the full original quality of your video. Simply tap on your preferred upload quality to select it. Once you've made your selection, this will be the default upload quality for all future video uploads from your iPhone. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully adjusted the default upload quality for your YouTube videos on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.